Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'll show you how to get the equation of an ellipse if you're given the coordinates of the focus, the directrix line equation and the eccentricity E. So let's get started. So guys, I have written a Python code, and for this I have used three libraries, that is NumPy, Matplotlib and SymPy library. I first execute the first cell. Now after that, the next cell asks the user to give the coordinates of the focus, that is A, B. So I'll execute this cell also. So let's consider that I take the focus to be -1, 1. So I'll type in -1, 1. After that, the next cell asks the user to give the coefficient of the directrix line equation, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So the user will have to give the coefficient a, b and c. So I'll execute the next cell, this cell also. So let's consider the coefficient to be a equal to 1, b equal to -1 and let's say c equal to 3. Now guys, for ellipse the eccentricity E is less than 1. So I have considered the value to be 1/2, so it is less than 1. So I'll execute this also. Now after that, I have defined a function that takes in the coordinates of the focus, the coefficient of the directrix line equation and the eccentricity E. So I'll execute this also. I'll execute the next two cell to get the equation of the ellipse. And so guys, for the given coordinates of the focus, the directrix line equation and the eccentricity E, the equation is obtained. So guys, you can experiment with this code, and if you have anything that you want to know, please do comment. Please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.